The AC guard is designed to go around any size condenser. Take it out of the cage, out of the box, looks just like this. Raise it up to the height you need it. If you need it to be wider, it changes in seconds. So it can be low and wide, or high and wide. Or, when you get to a large air conditioner, you just come up to it, take your condenser, raise it up, set your set screws in the very back. Now we have the height. Take this, add to the width. A little bit more. And in seconds, this has been retrofitted to protect this cage. So in seconds it can go from this to that. So when you have condensers that are close together in apartment complexes, you take the cage, expand it, and now in seconds, one cage can expand and cover two condensed height. Oh, we need to go a little bit higher. Raise the height, not very much. The width needs to go a little bit wider. Now the width is set. Now we might need to do the back side. All that would have to happen is just increase the width. And in seconds, this can do over half. And then in this case, it's such a large condenser, 2 cages would cover this condensing unit. This is the same condenser, and we've placed 2 cages around it. One on this end, separated in the middle. The second cage is here, wrapped around it. This is about 9 foot long. That's what you do with a really large, just horseshoe 2 cages around a very large condensing unit.